Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Alana Paris 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Umdluli.
Danke Stibo.
Yeah.
Yabona Stibo. Bebe khona namhlanje abonithabiseni.
Yabala.
Bebe yi Stibo.
Yabala.
Abonithabiseni bayaphapha Stibo.
Papa.
Abonithabiseni Stibo baphela ama feelings. Bengasekho ama feelings.
Papa.
Bahambile ama feelings.
Yeah.
Njengoba bawinele 4 games Stibo.
Yeah.
Ama feelings ababuyile. Bangasekho Stibo.
Baba
Babakhona ukushaya Stibo. Ngisho nasendlini noma babathinta imizwa bengekho Stibo. Bengavuki Stibo. Asize kule game namhlanje. Yabona lentwana umfukeni Stibo.
Sure.
Lentwana ipresident Stibo.
It's a quality.
It's a quality Stibo.
It's a quality.
Yabona lentwana le.
Yeah.
Izoba equal goal of the season. Izolithola goal of the season this season.
Njengomduduzi Shabalala.
Shabalala. Enye into Stibo besikhala ngombuthuma.
Yeah.
Besikhala ngombuthuma Stibo.
Yeah.
Umbuthuma ubuyile ephathini Stibo.
Quality.
He's back Stibo.
Ufana kakhulu.
And Stibo ukhumbule umbuthuma masikhuluma ngayo hayi ukuthi siyamzonda Stibo. Sifuna izinto right Stibo. And Stibo, it is not over.
Yes.
Akapheli Stibo.
Yes.
Akapheli.
Yes.
Ligi sizoyilwela Stibo. Sizoyithatha Stibo. And Stibo, Lorenzo Pan ubuyile Stibo. Lorenzo Pan ubuyile. And yazi Stibo enye into engikhotisayo le. Ngikhotisana amacoach eBSL.
Why?
Lo coach lo we-Richards Bay Stibo.
Yeah.
uJay Pirates angekithole next kuye.
Ubabizothwala.
Ubabizothwala. No wedlala neSundowns. Uthi hayi igame uyophisana ngayo. Yabapha Stibo. Yabona la yini. Thina mele sizilwele ngokwethu Stibo. Ngiyabonga Stibo.
I like the fact ukuthi ukhulume ngomfukeng what is good nomdu. Let's look beyond. Umfukeng mayiseformeni nomdu iseformeni. That's the combination of the national team. Those are our young stars. We don't need to compare them. If Umfukeng is good, is good. If Umdu is good in his way. Let's not kill the spirit of the young boys. Yes, Mina, I like both of them. Yes, I support both of them. And the Ulon Umfukeng ngiyamnika player of the season. Yes, Mina Nkichimisan number 2. Why? He's vacant. Angithi bonke bathi sithathe league. So number 2 akunamuntu. Akunamuntu. Angithi Sundowns ithathe league. Pirates ithathe league. Mina ngisithathe number 2. Tuthatha lento khosi. Awuthi ngihame Stibo ngiyobe ki PSG yedlala.